Hi there, this is Bill Tainter with OU Forex Trader. Going to do a quick recap of the live and non-farm payroll event we had Friday, November 5th. And we're going to show you what happened with the news, and then you're going to listen in as I replay what Forex Joe had to say as he analyzed current live market conditions, and we'll go through the chart and show you all that. Here's the news that happened. He traditionally waits 30 minutes after the news and analyzes the response to the market and then provides trade data. So here it showed at 7:30. This is Central Time, which is 8:30 Eastern. Unemployment was fantastic news, which plunges the euro down. The euro, US dollar, goes down on good US news. You'll see the charts coming up. The unemployment rate pretty much stayed the same, but last month was a minus 41,000 jobs. And here in November report, it bumped to a positive 151,000. Okay, so stick around here. Up next, you'll listen to Forex Joe as he analyzes the markets. Okay, thanks.
All right, right now I've compressed the channels for the euro 40.97 to 40.82. It's currently around 40.76. I saw that it went up to a high of 40.87, so 40.82.87 is the number. So it's at 40.76. So that would be the compressed channels of what you're looking at right now. And if you follow the pair, then if it breaks above 40.97, that means breaking above 4100. I would wait for it to come back and then sell again at 40.97. If it pops back up here to 40.82 and it holds, I'd sell at the 40.82 to 40.80 area. I'm going to look for this to happen more towards the London close. I think there's going to be some profit taking there. There might be a little bit of profit taking here in the next 45 minutes as people try to get out early in London. So right now we're right around the 40.74, and we hit that 40.82, and it's popped down about 9 or 10 pips. So just stay within these parameters. The next number, if you wanted to go with the next number, would be 40.71. Right, here's the next number. So that's the numbers of the sequence. So you have 40.71, 11 pips, 40.82, 15 pips to 40.97. So you play in those parameters for those of you that are playing in practice regimen accounts and want to just kind of hang out and see what's going on. I'm looking to sell any rally. Let me repeat that. Like if it pops up to 40.82, I'm looking for it to hold for a little bit, and I'm looking to sell. If we get it driven to 40.97 area, then I'm looking for it to pop back down. So I'm looking for this pair to probably resistance right now will be somewhere between 40.82 and 40.87. I think it's going to be very difficult for this pair to pop above 40.87, 40.82 number here in the next 45 minutes, because there's a lot of battle right now. I think it would be stronger towards the London close. If you get near the London close, there'll be profit taking. Look for it to get, if it gets near this numbers, to look for sell opportunities to pick up 20 to 25 pips, if that's what you're looking for. If you are a swing or position trader, you should already have been in according to our charts. You've already made, I mean, we had a sell at 41.91. Okay, 41.91. We had take profit at 41.66, and we had at 41.31. So some of you are already in trades. This is what the daily report had. I'll put that in there. So if you're in at 41.91 or 41.66 or 41.31, you already made your pips for the day. But those of you that don't have the reports, right there is under current market conditions. I've compressed the channels for you. 40.71. It'll have some issues there, 40.82, 40.87, and 40.97. So that's all you do live in the market. You just compress compact channels. You make a fundamental decision whether you want to try to get 8 to 15 pips under current market conditions. You see what the other pairs are doing, what the timeline is, what the time frame is, what the session is, and if you're preparing. So if you're preparing for a swing trade, you'll probably wait till the end of the day. You'll do your work with the weekend report, and you'll be ready to fire on Sunday night, because there will be some action on Sunday night.
Okay, so what you just heard Forex Joe talk about is the market after the second candle into that pink box. Okay, so he was speaking about this, the second candle in the pink box represents the overlap of the London and the U.S. session. News just completed. Then there's a green candle, and that's where he comes on after the news, and he's speaking, and he's analyzing the prices and the charts. So as you can see, it bumped up about 80 to 41.20 area. And then just like he predicted, where the pink box closes there and it just goes to the blue, that's the London close. He forecasted if it's at these levels near the London close. Well, sure enough, look, it went up to the 40.97 area, very close, and there's a great short, and it went from 40.97 straight down through there, easily 20 to 30 pips, so it depends on how you trade that. But again, clear documentation of Forex Joe anticipating the markets, calling it live in current market conditions, and that's the kind of power that we're dealing with here. If you get an opportunity to trade with him, he's going to tell you exactly what the market's going to do, and he's very accurate. So you want to take advantage of these non-farm payroll. You're going to take advantage of any of these free classes that he offers during trading sessions, because we just do this month after month after month. So this is just a quick recap of the November non-farm payroll, replaying Joe's audio from that and pulling up a chart just to show you what kind of accuracy that he has provided for that session. So we hope to see you next month. Come and join us at OU Forex Trader. We sponsor the event each month. It's free. It's live in the market. And come and learn. Thanks. See ya.